Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about membership on Freelancer. Guys, if you want to take a membership on Freelancer, then how will you do? So simply you have to go on your profile icon, and here you have to go with membership. Click on membership, and here you will see all the membership plans over here. These are monthly or annual membership packages, and you can go with your right one with which will be convenient for you. So guys, this is the basic package, and in this package you will get 50 bits per month, 50 skills, and all these benefits and all these features. And if you go with this plus, and this is the free trial, you can get 100 bids per month, and bids are the very necessary thing in Freelancer. Without bids you cannot bid on any project, and you without bid there is no any chance to get any project. So it is same like as Upwork. If you don't have connects, then you cannot apply for a job. So same as without bids you cannot apply and you cannot get any project. So bids are the very important things on Freelancer. So in this professional package you will get 300 bids per month and 100 of skills, client engagement, and all these features are included. So, and this is the premier package, and you can get premier package with this price, and this is monthly price, and this is annually price for this package. And as you can see guys, in this package you will get 1500 bids per month and 400 skills, and you will get client engagement, bill insights, daily withdrawal requests, and all these things in this package you will get. So read carefully and get your package to run your freelancer business. And the very beneficial thing is free trial. You can take a start with this free trial, and if you get any of free project with this free trial, then well and good, and then you can purchase these packages, and if not then you can purchase these packages, and you can run your business on Freelancer. So guys, this is how to take membership on Freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.